ओके नाउ हम अब क्या करने जा रहे हैं, एक सीवी बनाने जा रहे हैं। सीवी बनेगा कैसे? सबसे पहले सबसे द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट स्टेप टू मेक अ सीवी, फर्स्ट स्टेप, you should know the industry, ins and out of the industry, know the person, know the HR, know the news. Now, why should you know the news? I'll tell you later. But let's prepare a CV outline. But before preparation, we have to analyze. Okay, we are just picking a random job, and this is our own product, sabaeasyload.com. This is our own product that we're building nowadays. robinghata@gmail, this is the email, and the location is Abu Dhabi. Just and the location is Abu Dhabi. Okay, the job description says the salary is about 10,000. Okay, so what we are going to what have we analyzed? It's in Abu Dhabi. Salary is 10,000. Okay, salary is 10,000, and the job nature is real estate administrator. Okay, okay, job is real estate administrator. Since you don't know the company and you only know the person, he has given his name over here. I will just go to Robin Ghata Abu Dhabi recruitment, Robin Ghata at Gmail. Let's see if we get any results, because we have to first do the analysis, or let's say inspection, or um, we have to spy on that role. It's not, nowadays applying on the job is never so easy. Abu Dhabi recruitment, Robin Gata is not there. Robin, okay, we couldn't find any. Let's go to linkedin.com. So we have to spy on the role. Every job description that you get doesn't mean you have to apply then and there, because there will be 3,000 applicants. No, there will be 10,000 applicants looking for jobs right now at this very moment. So if you are actually looking to compete for 10,000 dirhams job, you should be really smart enough to get that job. And this is how you actually get smart. Okay, I've picked a random job. Okay, we have just picked a random job, and we just want to analyze who this person is. So the person is Robin Ghata. Okay, real estate administrator. Now, what does a real estate administrator do? For that, we'll go to our favorite ChatGPT. Okay, what does a real estate administrator do? So you have the power of okay, I think I got a comment from someone. Voice issues. Okay, okay, no worries, no worries. A real estate administrator plays a crucial role in supporting the operations of a real estate office or agency. The responsibilities may vary depending on the size and structure of organization, but generally a real estate administrator is responsible for performing administrative tasks and ensuring smooth functioning of the office. Here are some common duties associated with the role of a real estate administrator. The internet is so very slow today, but anyways, oversee and manage day-to-day office operations, maintain and clean, organize and maintain, maintain and maintain a clean and organized office environment, manage the office supplies, equipment, facilities. But why would an administrator earn 10,000 if he has to clean the office? Okay, this is the question. Okay, prepare, organize, maintain real estate documents, contracts, and agreements. Okay, this is important. Manage filing systems to ensure retrieval. Client communication, handle incoming calls, emails, inquiries, tenants, stakeholders. Transaction supports preparation of real estate transaction, including paperwork, contracts, packages, and important. Database management, that means you will have to handle the system as well. Market support system, the creation, distribution, marketing, material, property listing. So he has to do everything. Okay, so that's why they're giving 10,000. Fine, that answers the question. Process invoice, assistant budget management, stay informed about real estate laws. This is very important. Regulations and industry standards. Ensure that all transactions and paperwork comply with legal requirements. Scheduling and coordination, technology and okay. Now there are 10 points ChatGPT has given us. Out of that, I will leave out office management. Okay. Client communication is important. So what I'll do, copy over here, role, client communication. Client communication. Okay. Transactions upon preparation, real estate transaction, paperwork, contracts, and closing documents. Okay. Where is ChatGPT? Okay. Okay, assistant preparation, real estate transactions, including paperwork, contracts, and closing documents, transaction support. Okay, I'll just note that down too. And next is database management, real estate database, including property listing, client information. This is very important. Why it is important, I'll tell you later. Okay. Marketing support, marketing material, property listings, and advertisement. Of course, this has to go in marketing portals like Dubizzle. Okay, so this is also important. Financial administration, invoices, payments, and receipts. Budget management, compliance. Yes, very important. I will also show you how to apply with a cover letter. Schedule appointment, property showings and meetings for real estate professional, technology management and listings, client information, transactions. That means CRM. This client information means CRM. CRM is very easy to use. Okay. Okay. Now that we have all the details. Okay. We have all the details that what does this role do. This role actually has many functions. Real estate administrator, I'll just sum it up. Okay, this is what this person will do. Okay, now let's come to making our CV. For that we go to this AI based resume.com. It creates free resumes. I'll say create my resume.com. Okay, next I will search for Robin Carter. Who is Robin Carter? 10 product inputs you must read in lockdown. Robin Khatak. Okay, let's see who is Robin Khatak. If he's from Abu Dhabi, then no results found. Khata. Okay, it seems that we are actually encountering a person who is using a fake email ID. Might be. I might be wrong, but okay, it happens. Okay, it may happen. This is related. Okay, we don't have anything on Robin Khata, so we'll just actually make a CV, real estate administrator for a private company. Okay, let's build a resume. Sign in with Indeed. Skip for now. I will skip it. Okay. Now, this resume.com actually helps you to make a CV. So I will just put in my name, Puneet Mirza, Puneet, or maybe I'll say hello at wasnet.com plus 92325846977 city Lahore, country Pakistan, zip postal code 537 okay. Now state is not given. State job. Save. Now speaking of experience, let me just put down the format of, now this is the preparation. Okay, preparation of your CV. What should actually come in your CV? Let me tell you that. Look, now we have done the research. Now we want to apply the power areas to this research, and our pitch and story will come in this power areas, and we will make it irresistible. Okay, so the preparation of the CV will start with a story. What kind of a story? It can be a success story, or it can be an emotional story. It can be a story of achievements, struggle, what else? Struggle, learning, current challenges, projects and assignments. That will be the story. Okay, because people love listening to stories, and everyone has a story. Every experience that you have is a story. So what is asking for? Experience. But before I actually go for experience, I will go for tagline or short intro. Okay, move down. Okay, skills, I will use this. Who am I? Who am I? Sales experience, sales experience, real estate. Do we have anything? Real estate. Okay. And what do we have? What do we have? Client communication, transaction support, database management, marketing support. Okay. Marketing. Transaction support. No, we don't have any skill like that. So let's save that. Who am I? Computer literacy, yes. Communication skills, yes. Documentation, yes. Okay. Experience, who am I? Okay, I want to add some more. Customer, I would say for 48 hours you have. Okay, it left before. Okay. Experience, employer. I want to add a story. So let me make a story here and my short intro first.